Here are a few earthquake safety reminders for you while you're inside the COC building at PUP Santa Mesa.
So yun nga, ano bang gawa sa Koksay? Yung guys lang sa Granokal. Wait. Gamitin ba? Bakit naman yun? Oh my God! Look!
If an earthquake occurs, stay calm. Do not rush or run. The safest thing to do is to duck, cover, and hold. Duck under the nearest desk or sturdy table. Cover your head and neck, and hold on until the shaking stops.
If you're near windows, shelves, or hanging objects, move away from them immediately. Find a spot where nothing can fall on you. If evacuation is needed, follow the exit signs and walk slowly. No pushing, no rushing, you only move when it is safe.
Head to the designated open area and remain there until it's clear to go back inside. Your safety matters.
Stay alert, stay calm, and be prepared here at COC PUP Santa Mesa.